This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee cup sleeves, specifically these Restpresso paper coffee cup sleeves. They come in two different finishes, right? You have the white and craft, and there's 6 different designs that you can buy in each of those. And before I show you the designs, I just want to show you a really great feature. These are a smooth paper on the outside, but they're actually corrugated on the inside. So they provide extra grip on the cup, which is fantastic, less slipping around, but also extra insulation, which is great. So no more having to double cup coffees before putting your sleeve on to make sure your hands are protected, right? So these are a nice feature, and they come in the plain. You have your heart eye emoji, fire, the thumbs up, a plain heart, and then your laughing, crying emoji. And you can see it's a nice, fun, festive way to adorn a little coffee cup, either in the white or the craft version. And because it's a nice, smooth paper surface, it's also a great spot to write down orders or even to write a cute little message to your customer, making it a fun, whimsical way to step up the coffee service, whether it's for the morning or afternoon. They're also great for your other hot beverages, so whether it's tea, coffee, lattes, cocoa, or whatever your heart dreams up. These are a nice personalized touch to add a little bit of fun and whimsy. They're also made from recyclable paper, which is a fantastic plus, and they'll fit perfectly with Restaurantware's line of single-walled coffee cups that come in 12, 16, or 20 ounces.